Hey everybody, welcome back to today we're going to be making my mom's zucchini bread. Just give me 2 seconds and we'll get started. Okay, I'm going to make a double batch because I got 2 big loaf pans and my daughter always likes to have some of it. So what we need is, I'm going to use 6 eggs. 6 eggs, got eggs here. We need 2 cups of oil, 6 cups of flour. I need some baking soda, baking powder. Got my chopped zucchini. This is dehydrated too, by the way. I rehydrated overnight. And cinnamon, got my cinnamon ready. Sugar, I'm going to use 4 cups of sugar since it's a double batch. And I got vanilla. And also, we're going to add nuts, okay? Let's get started. First off, we want to do the eggs. Okay, it says eggs, oil, and sugar. So break up these eggs. These eggs were laid by our chickens, by the way. Which always helps. Eggs, sugar, we're going to cream all this together, and then 2 cups of oil, not quite enough, hang on. Of oil. There we go. Okay, we're going to put that in there. We're going to mix this up. Oops. Okay, and then the recipe says add everything else. So we're going to put everything in the bigger bowl. We'll go ahead and put mix it up really good. Okay, now we're going to need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Teaspoons right there. Baking soda. 1, 2. And it calls for half a teaspoon of baking powder. Alright. And then we need some cinnamon. The recipe says 2 teaspoons, we're going to need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, vanilla, we need a little bit of salt. Salt. It calls for 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Okay, then the last has got vanilla. 2 teaspoons, we're going to need 4 teaspoons. One. Okay. put the zucchini in there. Set your oven for 350 degrees to bake these. Some gloves and stuff. All right. Come on, get y'all mixed up really good. There's the body's starting to get there. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna put those in some grease loaf pans. Got those ready right here. Oh, mercy. There's one. Let's get up there. Okay, there we go. Just left. It's not. Okay, we'll pop these in the oven, and it says to, I put nuts in them. Oh well, don't get mad at me. 350 degrees for 1 hour. I'll see you back in an hour when those are done. We'll see how they turn out. Okay, zucchini bread's all done. Here's what it looks like. It's nice and hot, fresh out of the oven. We're going to get some butter and we're going to try it out. I'll put the directions to it and the ingredients down below, so give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.